Hello everyone, this is Rubal from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix error 0x80072F8F 0X20000 in Media Creation tool. To fix this error, once you have downloaded the Media Creation tool, right click on it and select Properties. Now give a check mark on Unblock box, click on Apply. Now you can try to update your Windows 11. If it did not resolve your problem, click on the Start menu, type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right click on it, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now type the command netstop wuauserv. Press Enter. Type another command netstop bits. Press Enter. Now press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box. In the blank field, type %windir%. Click on OK. Now find a folder which name is Software Distribution. Double click on it. Open Download folder. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files and folder. Right click on the selected folder. Click on Delete. Give a check mark on. Do this for all current item. Click on Continue. Please wait until deleting all files. After deleting the files, type the command netstart wuauserv. Press Enter. Type netstart bits. Finally, type the command wuauclt.exe /updatenow. Press Enter. Now close the command prompt and empty the recycle bin. Restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 via Media Creation Tool Assistant. If it did not resolve the problem, click on the Start menu, type Internet option. Now after appearing the Internet options, click on it. Click on Advanced tab. Scroll down and find Use TLS 1.0 and Use TLS 1.1. Click on Apply and OK. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like. Please take care.